Working on a 2012 Chevy Malibu. These are 19 millimeters. Break them on the ground, lift the car up, put it on jack stands, and let's get started. This open. It's a 10. Perfect. These are 14 millimeters. Another one right here. Good. And we're just gonna shimmy it out. There we go. Perfect. Alright, we're gonna use a caliper windback tool. I'm gonna use this A fitting. What I'm gonna do here is get on those grooves. Just like this. 7/8, we're gonna snug it down. Okay. I like to remove some old fluid. Crack this open. Put this on there like that. And then we're just gonna turn this back. Turn it back just like that. As you turn this, it'll push back in like that. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So now we're just gonna pop that out. Snug this back down. Just like that. A little fitting on. Good. There are two 13 mils right here. This frame, little bolt, little nub that sticks out here, makes it a little bit harder. I'm going to put a socket on this. And just pull that out. Spin you up. Good. Now I'm going to remove these old pads, pull these out. Just like that. Silicone paste. Scoop it up, just like that, and with it. Good. inside squealer. Goes on the inside. Just like that. Here. Okay. Just like that. Perfect. And lastly, refill any fluid that you lost.